Now, more than ever, there are a number of work from home job opportunities for students. When it comes to work from home jobs, we are living in the best era ever. More and more businesses are allowing employees to work from home if all they need is a computer and an internet connection. Regardless of what country you live in, as you grow older, you'll reach a point in your life when you recognize it's time to be self sufficient. Similarly, you don't want to be reliant on your parents' pocket money to cover your expenses. At the same time, college life is a period when you want to make the most of every opportunity. Unfortunately, you won't be able to fully appreciate it if your pocket is empty. There are friends, parties, food, and even variety of new experiences that you want to have. Don't be afraid to work from home if your job can be done on a computer. Ask your client whether it's doable, even if it's a part-time. As a result, it's always a good idea to look for online part-time jobs for students and begin improving your talents while earning money. But it also provides you a sense of accomplishment when you no longer need to contact home for financial difficulties. So if you like these types of videos, as always, make sure you hit that like button. It's really helped this channel grow, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload the next video, and comment down below with your thoughts. And make sure to stick around until the end, as I'll give you an awesome bonus tip on how you can get your very first clients easily without pitching your service. Let's get started. Content writer. Working as a freelance content creator is not only enjoyable, but it's also in high demand at the moment. If you enjoy writing, you should consider applying for this position. Professional writers who create content in the form of articles, blogs, podcasts, ebooks, captions, and web content development, among other things, are known as content creators or content writers. The position necessitates fluency in English as well as good writing and research abilities. You may also need to be proficient in Microsoft Word and Excel. You'll be required to complete the task before the deadline, and you'll be able to work on it in your spare time, as the job allows for flexible working hours. Second is graphic designer. A graphic designer's job is to turn written content into a visual representation. Graphic designers are well compensated. Almost every other businesses nowadays need and hire a graphic artist to advertise their brand. You must be familiar with design applications and technology such as Photoshop, Adobe, CorelDRAW, and others to be considered for this position. You'll be expected to submit original and out-of-the-box ideas for posters, site design, logos, layouts, pictures, graphics, or visuals. Your major goal is to produce and design something that will not only inspire individuals but will also aid in the targeting of the target demographic. If you believe you have a great nook and create and transform thoughts into images. Next is data entry agent. An agent to update data from other source to the server of the company is required. No technical skills like previous jobs are required for that task. In Microsoft Office, you have to be skilled. You can easily qualify for this job if you have basic typing and communication skills in addition to an English high school degree. You'll need to keep the company data up to date and make sure it is easy for everybody to access. You either need to transfer the paper information to the software, or you need to transcribe data from phone and recordings. Although the salary is lower for locally registered data collectors than for office employees. Fourth is social media management. Social media is now integral to our lives. Breakthrough social media marketing, your audience can expand through several social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, LinkedIn, etc. You should increase the reach of the brand. Yours would be to engage with the followers of the page, analyze content, gather insights to improve the bandwidth of your page, develop the most unique strategies for promoting your brand, generate content aimed to at specific audience members, and therefore monitor the brand's social media presence. Fifth is web designer or web developer. You need to know the basics of coding and benchmarking as a web developer or web designer. In contrast to other jobs, you have to hold a computer science, professional degree or fields related to this task. The concept of HTML and CSS must be thorough. Freelancer is better than being a full-time employee in web development. Web developers or designers are earning a lot because the increasing user base and industries are currently in high demand. So you'll be able to charge more when you gain more experience. And the last but not the least is virtual assistant. You can make quick money by being a student with good communicative and organizational skills. Virtual helps jobs can help you. You can choose your own place, rates, system, and clothing. Yeah, you can wear your PJs literally, but still work with suits so efficiently. Naturally, each virtual assistant job is very different, whether data entering, management of social media, research, document transcription, or organizations, etc. Maybe general elements to expectation. Depending on the service provided, time, tasks, and many more, payment scale may differ. So guys, as I promised, here's the bonus tip I will be sharing with you because you stick until now. So I'll give you the template on how to get clients if you have no experience, skill, or portfolio. So there are lots of ways for you to start getting clients as a student. This proof to work guaranteed. You only need to be consistent and committed by doing this. I will show you how easily this is. But first off, you only need to decide what niche you're going to be in. To make it easy, here's the pattern you can use. So I help target market, achieve, have, increase, result through your skill. So to make it simpler, here's the example. I help online coaches increase brand awareness through stunning website design. So now, what you have to do first is to define these two things. Target market, which means market you want to work with, like dentists, landscapers, online entrepreneurs, and there are lots. Second is solution skill or what we call service. Work from home jobs example we discussed in this video. So now, let's start your lead generation. Shortcut on how easily get clients, even if you have no skill, experience, or portfolio. Here are the 4 steps you can follow to get your very first client easily. Step 1, go to Facebook and join groups of your target market. Then, step 2, be active in that active group for some time. This is to build a relationship with your soon-to-be clients. Step 3 is just starting adding them as your friends, and when they accept you as a friend, you can start liking and even commenting on their recent posts genuinely. Don't be creepy, okay? And once you have built a relationship with them, maybe after a week or 2, you will message them directly. So later I will give you the free template you can use to start getting clients. Step 4 and the final step is voila, you've gotten your client. So here's the free template you can use to shortcut on how easily get clients for your service. How to connect with them on FB. So first interaction, add them as a friend or connection. Second interaction, thank them for accepting your request. Message them like, thanks for accepting my friend request. Have a great day. Just like that. Third interaction is comment and engage with their post. The fourth interaction, it will be the single most important question. Later, I will show you how it works. And fifth interaction is the referral script. Okay, so first message, after a week of commenting and engaging with their post, you will message them like this. So, hey, name like, hey, Sana, can I ask for your advice? Because I feel like you're the right person to approach this. The client will reply, sure, most of the time. Second message, so in terms of working with your web designer, what has been the one quality that has disappointed you? The reason I'm asking is I want to improve my service to businesses like you. Depending on your service, you can just fill this out. So the client mostly will answer their frustration or disappointment. When they answered you, just reply, "Thank you for your very helpful insight. I appreciate it. Have a great day." Okay, so third message, message them after 2 days. And it goes something like this. "Hey, Sana, I'm taking a new direction in my business and was wondering if you know someone who may need web design or content writer or social media manager, whatever your skill you've chosen." So you can also add this message, like, completely up to you. By the way, I'm offering 10% commission for every referral made, so in case you know someone, let me know. So that's it, guys. I hope it's been helpful to you and you've got a value out of this, and start implementing the strategy I share with you. Don't overthink, guys. So also, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't want to miss more videos helping you about how to make money online or about business and investing and much more. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, take care, and God bless.